Good morning, all. Today we will discuss about the topic on electrical machines. The following topics are going to be covered in this video. First one is the electrical machines, DC generator basic, DC generator constructions, components of DC generator, principle of operation, EMF application, types of DC generator and applications of DC generator. First one is the electrical machines. What is generator? Generator converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Example is dynamo. What is motor? Motors converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. Examples are fan, washing machines and electrical vehicles. DC generator basic. A DC generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The following parts are mainly used: magnetic field, permanent magnet, electromagnet, copper conductor, and there must be a relative motions between the machines. The second one is the construction and components of DC machine. The following are the main parts of the DC machines. First one is the yoke, second one is the pole, field coil, armature, commutator, and bearing. Yoke. The yoke is the frame. It is made up of cast iron or cast steel and provides the mechanical support to the whole machines. Next one is the pole and field coil. The pole core and pole shoe made up of soft iron or cast steel are used to produce and uniformly distribute the magnetic field in the air gap. The field coil wound with the insulated copper wire and are placed in the pole core. When energized, they magnetize the poles to create the required magnetic field. Next, armature winding. The armature core. The armature core is made up of laminated silicon steel and supports the armature winding or provides low reluctance path with the magnetic field and will reduce the eddy current losses. The armature winding is made up of insulator copper conductors and is placed in the armature slats. Commutator. The commutator, each armature winding is connected with the commutator segments. The commutator are mainly used to convert the AC supply into DC supply. Next, brushes and bearing. The brushes are usually made up of carbon or graphite material. It is mainly used to collect the current from the commutator and supply it to the external circuit. Bearing. The bearing provides the mechanical supports. There are two bearings are mainly used. First one is the ball bearing, second is the roller bearing. For small type of machines, ball bearings are used. For large size of machine, roller bearings are mainly used. Next, we will discuss about the basic principle of DC generator. The DC generator works based on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. According to this principle, whenever a conductor rotates and cuts the magnetic flux, the electromagnetic force EMF is induced in it. In DC generator, the armature conductor rotates within a magnetic field produced by the field system. Due to this motion, voltage is induced in the conductor. Although the induced voltage in the armature is alternating current, the commutator converts the direct current at the output terminal. Thus, the DC generator converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy based on the electromagnetic inductions. Next, we will discuss about the EMF equation. Here, Eg is equal to P by Zn divided by 60A. Eg is equal to generator EMF. P denotes the number of poles in the DC machine. Pi is the flux produced in the air gap. It units is Webers. Z is equal to total number of conductors in the armature circuit. N is the speed of the rotation. Mostly they are in RPM. A is the parallel path. The generator EMF Eg is equal to P by Zn divided by 60A. It units is volts. Next, we will discuss about the types of the generator. There are mainly two types of DC generator. First one is the separately excited DC generator. Next one is the self-excited generator. Self-excited generator consists of three. First one is the DC series generator. Second is the DC shunt generator. Third one is the compound generator. Compound generator consists of two types. First one is the long shunt compound generator. Second one is the short shunt compound generator. We will discuss one by one. First one, the separately excited DC generator. Here, the field winding gets supply from the external source. Next, we will discuss about the self-excited generator one by one. First one is the DC generator, shunt generator. Here, the field winding is connected in parallel with the armature circuit. The property of the coil has more number of turns, very thin coil with high resistance. Second is the next, we will discuss about the DC series generator. Here, the series field winding is connected in series with the armature circuit. Here, the coil property is the coil has less number of turns, but a very thick coil with low resistance. Next, we will discuss about the compound generator. First one is the long shunt compound generator. Here, the field winding is connected in series with the armature circuit. This combination is connected in parallel with the shunt field winding circuit. Next one is the short shunt component generator. Here, the field winding is connected in parallel with the armature circuit. This combination is connected in series with the series field winding. Next, we will discuss about the applications of generator. Applications. The separately DC generator is widely used in where a price and wide control of voltage is required, such as in the laboratory, testing facilities and research work. DC shunt generator is mainly used for constant voltage application. Its applications include the battery charging, lighting system, electroplating, and as a DC power supply in workshop and labs. DC series generator is used where high current and low voltage is required. The typical applications include the electric traction system, booster generator, and welding work. DC compound generator combines the features of the both shunt and series generator and is used where good voltage regulation is needed to vary the load condition. Applications include the power supply factories, elevators, cranes, rolling mills, and heavy duty DC loads. This video discusses about the basic construction, basic components and their function, the generator principle and types. This video is very helpful to understand the basic concepts about the DC generator. Thank you.